Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on chat heads on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click here on these three lines. Now click on the settings icon here, and now here you'll find chat heads. Just click on it, and as you see it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on chat heads on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.